Now we move on to our next topic, which is food pipe or esophagus. Swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. Here you can see the figure of the figure. This figure to what is it? This food pipe where the swallowed food enters. This pipe is known as esophagus, and where this food gone into the stomach. Okay, food pipe runs along the neck and chest. Food is pushed down by movement of wall of the food pipe. Where how it is pushed down to the stomach with the help of wall of food pipe. Actually, this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal and pushes the food downwards. At times, the food is not accepted by our stomach and is vomited out. We have seen sometimes that instances where we get vomited after eating. And do you know what is the reason for it? Actually, the food is not accepted by our body. That's why we get vomited. Now you have to discuss in detail with your parents and teacher. Now we move on to our next topic, which is stomach. Stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is like flattened U and is the widest part of the alimentary canal. In the whole alimentary canal, the widest part is your stomach. Okay, it receives food from food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine to the other end. Inner lining of stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Mucus protects the lining of the stomach. What mucus does? It protects the lining of the stomach, and the acid kills many bacteria that enters along the food and makes the medium of the stomach acidic. We all know the food, and it makes the medium of the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juice to act. The digestive juice broke down the proteins into smaller substances, sorry, not smaller, into simpler substances. Now we move on to this blue box. Okay, now what this blue box is saying, okay, now how you all know the incident of working of his stomach, how it was discovered. It was very strange accident. In 1822, a man got very badly hit by a shotgun. Bullet has seriously damaged the chest wall and made a hole in his stomach. He was brought to an American doctor whose name is William Beaumont. Doctor saved the patient, but he could not close the hole properly and left it bandaged. Here you can see the figure 2.8. See, the hole is left open. Okay. Beaumont took its great opportunity to see inside the stomach through the hole. What Beaumont does, he always used to see through this hole what is going on in the stomach, and he made some wonderful observations. Beaumont found that the stomach was churning food. Its walls secrete a fluid which could digest the food. Now only we have studied the digestive juices is secreted by the walls of the stomach. He has also observed that the end of the stomach opens into the intestine only after digestion of the food inside the stomach is completed. We all know after one end is open to the food pipe and another end which after digestion it goes into the small intestine. Okay.